I'm good.
How
Thank
are
you.
you,
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
So last class we discussed another method of addition. Now we know how to add two numbers. Now let us see some real life examples which is related to addition. Okay. Now let me ask Radhika, do you like chocolates? Radhika, do you like chocolates?
Yes.
Very good. See, let me ask you one question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Radhika. See, your father gave you 3 chocolates. Okay?
Yes.
Your father gave you 3 chocolates. How many chocolates, Radhika?
3.
3 chocolates. And mother gave you 2. Father given to you 3 and mother given 2.
2.
Okay. So how many chocolates are there all together in your hand? How many are there all together?
1,
Ah.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Hmm.
5.
See, father gave you 3, mother given 2. So all together you have 5.
5.
Okay, all together you have 5. Okay, very good, Ritika. Good. Now, let us see what are the words related to addition. We discuss addition, no? That time we discuss the words which are related to addition. Joanna Joshi, tell me one word which is related to addition. One of the word related to addition.
Putting together.
That is putting together means addition means putting together. Okay, good. In that together, Together, together. That word is related to addition. Okay, Joanna Joshi, tell me another word. Other than together, we discuss. In all, in all, all, in all. Then total, total, all together, together, total, sum, add. So these words are related to addition. Okay, these all words are related to addition. These words will tell us to do addition. Now let us see some examples. Okay, now let me share the screen and listen to ma'am. Ma'am will tell you when you have to open the notebook. That much time, listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay, see one boy, his name is Akshay. Akshay. And Akshay has 3 chocolates. Akshay has 3 chocolates. Akshay has 3 chocolates. And another girl, Needu. Okay. Needu has 5 chocolates. Both are friends only. Okay. So Akshay has 3 chocolates. Needu has 5 chocolates. How many chocolates?
Ma'am.
How many chocolates?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. How many chocolates do they have? Do they have?
Chocolates.
In all? Do they have in all? Very good, very good. See, Akshay has 3 chocolates. How many chocolates are there with Akshay?
3.
There are 3 chocolates. So let us see number 3. What about Needu? Needu has 5 chocolates. How many chocolates are there with Needu?
5.
What
Chocolate.
How many chocolates do they have in all? In all. In all is the word related to
8.
the word
8.
do the addition. Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. So Akshay has 3 chocolates. Needu has 5 chocolates. How many chocolates do they have in all? So let us write the answer. Let us write the answer. See here we can see 3 and 5. Both are one digit numbers having only one place. Okay. So let us write the place first. One place. Now let us write the numbers. First of all we will write the number 3. Akshay has 3 chocolates and Needu has 5 chocolates. So this 5 we will write below 3. In all, that will tell us to do the addition. So but put the plus for addition. Now let us add 3 and 5. Okay, bigger number is 5. That we can keep it in our mind. 3 we can take in our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So last number we got it 8. So how many are there all together? Or in all, there are 8 chocolates. In all, there are 8 chocolates. All of you understood the problem? All of
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now let us write in the notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you take your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Take your notebook. Please take a notebook and pencil. Now we can start. Okay. WORD. 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 Agnes, write. Take a fresh page and write. WORD. Word. PROBLEMS. Word problems.
PRO.
PROBLEMS. Word problems. PROBLEMS. Word problems. A. We are going to write the first question. All of you completed the heading, word problems.
Yes,
Shall
ma'am.
we start the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ANGEL. Angel. It's a name of a girl. Angel. 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 HAS. Angel has. ANGEL. Angel. HAS. Has. 2. Angel has 2. BOOKS. Books. Angel has 2 books. Angel has 2 books. HER. Angel has 2 books. Full stop. We are starting a new sentence, so starting with the capital letter. Her. 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 MOTHER. Her mother. HER. Her. MOTHER. Her mother. Her mother. GIVES. gives, Gives, gives. Angel has 2 books. Her mother gives Angel has 2 books. Her mother gives her 4 more. 4 more. M-O-R-E. More. H-O-W. How? M-A-N-Y. Angel has 2 books. Full stop. Her mother gives her 4 more. M-O-R-E. More. H-O-W. How? M-A-N-Y. Many. How many? Books. B-O-K-S. How many books? How many books? D-O-E-S. Does. How many books does? S-H-E. She. How many books does she? H-A-V-E-E. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. A-L-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. All together. All together. Angel has 2 books. Her mother gives her 4 more. How many books does she have all together? So let us see the question. Angel has 2 books. So how many books are there with the angel? Elvin Bino, how many books are there with the angel in the beginning?
2.
2. So that the 2 we can put it in a circle. Her mother gives her 4 more. How many books given by mother? How many books are given?
4.
4.
4.
That 4 again we can put it in a circle. Now what is the question? How many books does she have all together? All together is a word related to addition. Including everything, how many books are there?
Name circle.
Yes. So including everything, how many books are there? So let us write the answer.
6.
So 2 and 4, both numbers are 1-digit number having 1 place. That is ones. And let us write the numbers one below the other. 2, then below 2 we can write the number 4. All together, that's related to addition. So put the symbol plus. Now we can add the numbers. 2 plus 4. Aldrina, 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 2 plus 4. Bigger number you keep it in your mind, smaller number you take in your fingers. So after 4,
5,
now
6.
very good. So what is answer?
6.
6. The answer is 6. Okay, Aldrina. There are 6 books. Your answer is correct. 6 books. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 books. Now those who have completed the question, write the answer. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 books. Shall we move to second question? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now the question B. Six birds. BIRDS. 6 birds were 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 6 birds were SITTING sitting. 6 birds were sitting 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 sitting. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. So in the beginning, there were 6 birds on the tree. 3 more, MORE, 3 more, MORE, more. 3 more birds, BIRDS. 3 more birds. 3 more birds came. So in the beginning there were 6 birds on the tree. After that 3 more birds joined with them. Three more birds came. HOW, how. MANY, how many? How many? BIRDS. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. 3 more birds came. How many birds? How many birds? In all, in ALL, in all. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. 3 more birds came. How many birds in all? In ALL, all. How many birds in all? ARE. How many birds in all are? NOW, now. How many birds in all are now? SITTING. Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. O-N. On. T-H-E. The. T-R-E-E. Tree. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. 3 more birds came. How many birds in all are now sitting on the tree? In the beginning, there were 6 birds. 3 more birds joined with them. Now, how many birds are there altogether? Or total, how many birds are there? Yes, tell me. Very good. So there were 6 birds in the beginning. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. So let us circle the number 6. 6 birds were sitting on a tree. And after some time, how many birds joined? How many birds joined, Niva? How many birds joined with them?
3.
3. Let us round the number 3. 6 were there. 3 more joined with them. How many birds in all? In all is a word related to addition. Okay. In all are now sitting on the tree. Now let us write the answer. Both 6 and 3 are one digit numbers having only one place. So let us write the place. You please write. Now the number 6 and 3. Let us write one below the other. So below 6 we can write the number. Very good, Bhuwana, very good. Now in all, that will tell us to add the number. So put a plus sign. Now we can add the number 6 and 3. Adityan, unmute and add the number 6 and 3 and tell me answer. 6 very good, very good. So 6 is the bigger number that we can keep it in our mind. 3 we can take in our fingers. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many birds are there now? There are 9 birds. There are 9 birds. There are 9 birds. In the beginning, there were 6 birds. After some time, 3 more birds joined with them. Now it is 9 birds on the tree. Those who have completed the question, write the answer also. And let us move to C. Shall we start the question 3? Third question, C.
Yes.
Okay. R-A-D-H-I-K-A. Radhika. It's the name of a girl. Radhika. R-A-D-H-I-K-A. Radhika. E-A-T-S. Eats. R-A-D-H-I-K-A. Radhika eats. E-A-T-S. Radhika eats 3. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S. Biscuits. Radhika eats 3 biscuits. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S. Radhika eats 3 biscuits. T, capital letter. T-H-E-N. Then T-H-E-N. Then S-H-E. She. Radhika eats 3 biscuits. Then she eats, E-A-T-S. Eats 5 biscuits. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S. Radhika eats 3 biscuits. Then she eats 5 biscuits more. M-O-R-E. Radhika eats 3 biscuits. Then she eats 5 biscuits more. So in the beginning she eats 3. Again she asks for biscuits. So again she eats 5 biscuits. H-O-W. How? H-O-W. How? M-A-N-Y. How many? M-A-N-Y. How many?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. How many? H-O-W. How? M-A-N-Y. Many. How many? Feba completed. Question. Radhika eats 3 biscuits, then she eats 5 biscuits more. How many biscuits? B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S. How many biscuits? How many biscuits? D-O-E-S. Does. How many biscuits does S-H-E? She. Radhika eats 3 biscuits, then she eats 5 biscuits more. How many biscuits does she eat? E-A-T. Eat. I-N. In. A-L-L. All. How many biscuits does she eat in all? Those who have completed the question, try to write the answer. First of all, read the question, okay? Radhika eats 3 biscuits. Hanan, where are you looking? Then she eats 5 biscuits more. How many biscuits does she eat in all? In the beginning, how many biscuits Radhika eats? How many biscuits?
3 biscuits.
3 biscuits. So let us round the number. Okay. Now, again she asks for biscuits. Then she eats how many biscuits?
5 biscuits.
5 biscuits. So let us round the number 5. How many biscuits does she eat in all? Again, in all. That means
Biscuits.
addition. Okay, very good. Right answer. So let us write the answer. So in the beginning, she eats 3. After some time, 5. So both numbers are one-digit numbers having only one place. Let us write the place first. Then let us write the number one below the other. First of all, 3. Below 3, we can write the number 5. We have to add, so plus symbol.
8.
Okay, very good, very good. So let us add the numbers 3 and 5. Hanan, add the numbers 3 and 5 and tell me the answer. 3 plus 5. 5 is the bigger number, so that we can keep it in our mind. 3 you take in your fingers. So after 5,
8.
6, 7, 8. Okay, the
8.
answer is 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 biscuits. biscuits. 8 biscuits. 8 biscuits.
Ma'am, Bhuwana completed.
Okay, good girl, Bhuwana.
Ma'am, Ma'am, we completed.
Very good, very good. Let others also complete it. Okay.
Ma'am, we completed.
Very good, very good. Yes. So now all of you understood the 3 problems which we discussed today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Those who have not completed, please complete it now. We have 2-3 minutes more. So this is the last question for today's notes. And the same I'll put in the group also. And the remaining questions we will do tomorrow. Alvin, show me the notebook. Okay, Manna,
Yes, ma'am.
show me the notebook. Okay, Hiba, keep it down.
Okay.
Okay, keep it down. Okay, Aaron. Okay, Aaron, keep it down. Badra, where are you? Evelyn, show me the book. Badra, where's the book? You completed all the 3 questions?
Yes.
Okay, okay, Badra, keep it down. Okay, Evelyn. Aldrina, show me the notebook.
Ready.
Oh, okay, Aldrina. Adityan, show me the notebook. Okay. Elvin, it's already shown. Okay. Now, Nasia. Okay. Agnes.
Ma'am, Joanna Joshi completed.
Okay, okay. Let me. I will ask you. Nasia. Okay, Nasia. Okay, okay, Nasia. Agnes. Okay. 5 plus 3, 8 biscuits. So below that 8, you can draw 2 lines. Then Bhuvana. Okay, I saw the notebook. Angela. Rudraksh. Okay. Niva. Okay. Angela, keep it down. Okay. Dia, okay. 9 birds. Okay, Dia. Irene Paul, show me the notebook. Completed all the 3 questions. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, 4 question.
No, 3. Only 3. And now you copy into the copy into the Max notebook later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I forgot the name. Aldrin Shipu completed.
Ma'am, Angel completed.
Okay. Okay, Aldrin. Good. So let me stop sharing.
She completed. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, Joanna. Okay, Joanna. So let me stop. Let me stop sharing and join. Okay. So thank you for joining. We will continue the remaining questions in the next class. Okay. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am.